Hi, my name is Trey Benicosa. I work for Gas Technology Institute outside of Chicago, Illinois. I'm here at Roundtable Live, setting up a demonstration for a totally new way to map unlocatable plastic pipe. We will be setting up a system that allows a mapping probe to enter live gas pipe and map that underground asset without cutting off the flow to gas to downstream customers, and really providing operators a way to locate that underground asset when there's really just no tools available that can do it. So today we will be utilizing the Jameson launch tool. It's able to enter live gas pipe. We'll feed the mapping sensors through the launch tube into the pipeline, and then we have a pusher that's external to the pipeline. This is connected to that tracer wire. That pusher will propel this mapping system through the pipe. It will collect the distance that the probe travels. This will be collecting changes to its orientation as it travels the pipe, and that's all translated into X, Y, and Z positional data.
Boom. Okay, perfect. We're in. The pump is undersized for this, so this manual process is not typical, but just to keep things moving, we'll just feed it through. But you can imagine trying to feed this 300 feet would be pretty challenging, so having the push rod here definitely helps. So we can see on the odometer, we're about 100 feet in. We walked this earlier. It's about a 291-foot run. So we'll just follow the odometer here, and when we reach the end, we'll pause for 30 seconds. The probe will recalibrate, and then we'll pull it back. We'll pull the probe out, we'll extract all that data, and we'll see it map.
Yeah, so what we try to do when we build virtual reality modules is we try to make it as real as possible. We put sounds in there. It's just not static and silent. It's the real sounds that people are going to hear out in the field, no different than the site here today with construction equipment. So in here you can hear sounds of planes flying over, doors opening, dogs barking, traffic going by. These are the distractions that field employees are going to be exposed to in real life. So now then we want to distract them and then see on how they perform that task, whether it's a meter change, whether it's facility locating and marking. All right, so this is the GTI lobby. This is where we can select any one of our scenarios that we'd like to go into and train on. Today we're going to go into excavation burning, or they could go into a random scenario. So right now the system's loading up this scenario, and here's the work order that the trainee would be given. We're looking for source of ignition. As I get closer to the burning gas, you can hear it amping up. I can hear that this car is running, so I could identify this as a potential source of ignition. In the event this flame were to go out, identify this excavator as a potential source. The technology actually supports up to 16 people in the same environment. So if we had 16 pieces of hardware equipment, we could all go into this virtual block, and a trainer could train up to 15 other people. So ultimately part of the goal is, instead of having to use right now menu screens to select that you've inspected something, what we want to do is utilize the technology. It's there that will track eye movement, whether it's just observing your area with locating, right? Or let's say it's a pre-excavation inspection, and maybe you didn't look down to the left and you've only looked to the right. That's what that technology will support.
We're very grateful for Planet Underground to host us. This is a great opportunity, a great conclusion to this phase of the project. We're able to showcase this brand new product that we all worked very hard to put together in front of a large audience that could potentially use it. And it's all made possible because of Planet Underground. We're very grateful for the opportunity to perform this demonstration.
This is a great opportunity for even the vendors to meet each other and to help each other through different challenges. And then just for the stakeholders, the utility operators, construction, the contractors to come and get an idea. How long would it take them to go to 20 different vendors' sites to see the equipment? Bring it all together in one spot. This is awesome.